Hey everyone, let's continue MySQL. In this session, we will learn how to use default function. And in the default function, let's see, we had left blank any column. So by default, whatever the value we have assigned, it will take it by default. So let's come to the how we have to run today. This is my we can just go to this like default values. So first is default value, how we have to assign, create table, student package. Let's say I want to create a table of the student package, final placement. Then ID of the student we will define here, and salary, that would be integer default. Let's say I have placed here 80,000. Let's say any in front of the any student, the salary package is not defined or not filled. So by default, it will take it this particular 80,000 salary. So insert into student package ID values, and here is what we have done in this particular table. We have given student package, right? This is the table name. There is the ID and values we had put it 001. We had not defined here any salary. So by default, it will take it. I will show you how by default it will take it, this salary package. So let's come to the MySQL, and let me open my new file, new query tab, and let's say I am creating a database. Create what we will create, any database name we have to keep it, or let's say I am not creating any new database. Let's say I'm using use management database. Already it's created, management, use management database, and in management database, uh, it will use management database, and under this I am going to create a file, create a table. Let's say I'm giving table name is, let's say student, what I would define, let's say student package, right? Student package. I had defined short form. So this one is open parenthesis. And let's say first one is I'm going to define ID. ID will be integer. And ID will be, you can define here primary key also. So that's required. And after that, what we will do, salary, we are going to define salary, that will be integer and default. Integer and space default. And default salary, let's say I'm going to define here, I would say, let's say 60,000. 60,000. Bracket close. And after closing this bracket, again, next parenthesis, and I'm going to close and then semicolon. So this is the salary I'm going to define here. This is the table, right? So let's see, now I'm going to insert values. So simply I'm writing insert into, where? Into stu underscore package, right? Underscore pak, and here it is. I'm going to define here, that will be ID, ID, and ID is values will be values. Let's say I am giving values 001, right, to my first student. So insert into student package. Let's say, let me define first package. There would be student pack, student pack, student pack. So this is the insert into student package ID and values we are going to define here. And then further it will be, so after that, here is first use management. Let me execute this. It's successfully executed. You can see here, create table student package and ID integer, salary integer, default 60,000. Let's execute this. That is also successfully is executed. Let's say student into student pack ID values 0001. So let's execute this. That is also successfully executed. Now, what we have to do, we would like to see what values it has entered. Select, then select star means all the columns, all from where student underscore pack, PACK, pack. Then semicolon, right? So what we have done, select star, sorry, from. Select star from stu underscore pack. Let me execute this. So now we can see, right. See, ID is 1. ID is 1. Let me show you function plus. Let me show you the bigger form. Now we can see ID is 1, salary is 60,000. By default, this salary we have defined here. Salary integer default 60,000 and it's automatically, it has taken default value. So similarly, we will use some more functions in future, more functions in future, like other, how we can use foreign keys, how we can work on various other functions, constraint, conditional formatting we have to use in my upcoming session. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. Default function we had already finished.